So why would I use the word ninja? The word ninja has been overused over the last couple of decades. You probably noticed it's been used in marketing, like ninja marketing tactics, and it's been used in fitness, ninja fitness, that kind of stuff. But little, if any at all, of it actually relates to actual ninja. Well, this does. This is the actual fighting system of the ninja. This is what we call Ninpo Taijutsu. Ninpo means way of nin, po, ho, way, nin, ninja. Taijutsu, tai is body, jutsu is technique. So it's the body fighting system of the way of the ninja. That's why we're studying ninja self-defense. Why would we choose ninja self-defense? Because it's extremely effective. The ninja didn't have the luxury of size or strength or numbers. So they had to be extremely effective with as little power, noise, or energy as possible. So their system was based on the body mechanics and designed to be as effective as possible with as little energy spent, as little sound emitted, or strength used. It works on anybody, it works for anybody, no matter what size, weight, age, strength, or any other quality you have or don't have. That's why it's so effective, and quite frankly, it's pretty cool too.